नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृतं नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नाष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भागवते उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिके. So reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, chapter 15, verse 40 on 1540. The Pandavas retire timely. विसृज्य तत्र तत्सर्वं दुकुलबलयादिकं निर्मम निरहंकार संच्छिन्न शेषबन्धन. विसृज्य तत्र तत्सर्वं विसृज्य तत्र तत्सर्वं दुकुलबलयादिकं दुकुलबलयादिकं संच्छिन्न शेषबन्धनं संच्छिन्न शेषबन्धनं संच्छिन्न शेषबन्धनं. विसृज्य तत्र तत्सर्वं दुकुलबलयादिकं निर्मम निरहंकार संच्छिन्न शेषबन्धनं. Please repeat someone. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Visrujya tatra tat sarvam dukula valayadikam nirmamo nirahankaraha satchinna shesha bandhanaha.
Anybody else? Anybody? So, what by what? Visrija, relinquishing. Tatra, all those. Tat, that. Sarvam, everything. Dukula, belt. Balayadikam, and bangles. Nirmama, uninterested. Nirahankaram, unattached. Samchinna, perfectly cut up. Asheshabandhana, unlimited attachment. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace Yas Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Translation. Maharaj Yudhishthir at once relinquished all his garments, belt and ornaments of the royal order and became completely disinterested and unattached to everything. The purport: to become purified of material contamination is the necessary qualification for becoming one of the associates of the Lord. No one can become an associate of the Lord or can go back to Godhead without such purification. Maharaj Yudhishthir, therefore, to become spiritually pure, at once gave up his royal opulence, relinquishing all his royal dress and garments, the Kshatriya, the Kashya or saffron loincloth of a sannyasi, indicates freedom from all attractive material garments, and thus he changed his dress accordingly. He became disinterested in his kingdom and family, and thus became free from all material contamination or material designation. People are generally attached to various kinds of designation. The designation of family, society, country, occupation, wealth, position, and many others. As long as one is attached to such designation, he is considered materially impure. The so-called leaders of the men in the modern age are attached by national consciousness, but they do not know that such false consciousness is also another designation of the materially conditioned soul. One has to relinquish such designation before one can become eligible to go back to Godhead. Foolish people adore such men who die in national consciousness. But there is an example of Maharaj. But here is an example of Maharaj Yudhishthir, a royal king who prepared himself to leave this world without such national consciousness. And yet he is remembered even today because he was a great pious king, almost, almost on the same level with the personality of Godhead, Sri Rama. And because people of the world were dominated by such pious kings, they were happy in all respects, and it was quite possible for such great emperors to rule the world. Om Ajnanatimidandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Om Ajnanatimidandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupam Kadamayam Dadati Shapadantikam Vandeyam Shri Guru Shri Jatapadakammalam Shri Guru Vaishnavancha Shri Rupam Shagrajatam Shaguna Raghunatham Vitam Tam Sajivam Shadaitam Shavadhutam Purijana Shaitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Shaguna Dalita Shri Vishakanitam Cham Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Shivakshami Niti Namine Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Prasadine Nirvisheshanavadi Vaschatadashatarine He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Sirada Kanta Namastate Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavanashri Vrishabhanushuti Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishna Krishna Chaitanya Namine Gaurattishe Namo Panchakalpataruvasya Kripa Sindhuyavacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namo Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaur Bhaktavrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Mukam karoti vachalam pangulam gaiti grim yatkripatam ham bande Shri Guru Dinatarinam Paramananda Madhavam Samsara Dukkha Jaladhau Patitasya Kama Krodhadinakrama Kroka Ulikritasya Durvashana Nigaditasya Nisriyasya Chaitanya Chandra Mama Dehi Pada Bulambam Chaitanya Chandra Mama Dehi Pada Bulambam Hare Krishna Vistrijara Tatra Tat Sarvam Dukula Bulayadikam Nirmama Nirahankara Sansinna Asesha Bandhana So in the previous verse, Yudhishthir Maharaj announced that he is going to leave everything. No? And here in this verse, Vishrija, he already did that. So first preparation and then giving up everything. So it needs qualification. Here in this verse, qualification is given that nirmama nirhankaro, not that external qualification, the dress, everything, or designation. That is external qualification. The internal qualification here is nirmama nirhankaro. So Yudhishthir Maharaj gave up everything, like Dukula, his belt, his like his everything. Deho only bandhichu. Everything belong to the body, like his dress, his royal kingdom, his family, everything he gave up. So this is Bale Adikam, everything related to the body. And then it is not that one day one can come to this level. Actually, this Yudhishthir Maharaj, Pancha Pandava, they are Nitya Parshad, they are Premi Bhakta. They are just taking doing their role to teach the world, no? To teach us. So here, this Nirmama, like mama means mine, mama and mamata. It's called mamata. Mama means mine, ta means possession, my possession. In this material world, everyone is having possession, some possession, but spiritual world also having possession. Like the pure devotees, only property is Krishna. But material world, the materialistic people having so many possessions, like wives, children, like house, like designation, bodily designation, country, all this mamata, mamo, my. This mamata is very difficult to give up. That's why Narottam Das Thakur is saying, Sangsara batuare, kamo phashi bandi mare, pukhar karo haridas. করো ভক্ত সঙ্গ প্রেম কথা রসরঙ্গ তবে হয় বিপদ বিনাশ তবে হয় বিপদ বিনাশ this mamata in this material world Narottam Das is saying that this samsara means sammak rupena sarati iti samsar, while everything is degrading where is birth, death, old age, and all these problems are there. Janma, Mittu, Jara, Vedi, no? All these problems are there. Samsar. And samsar is like, samsar means mamo and ta. Mamo and ta. That is samsar. Means my, this is me and this is mine. This is called samsar. This is me, everything belongs to me. We calculate everything. This is me, this is mine. This is me, this is mine. This is actually samsar. This is called mamata. When we are free from this thing, mamata, this samsar, then we are qualified to go back to the spiritual samsar, another samsar. That's the spiritual world. And when this mamata, this samsar mamata, like me and mine, with the material things, will be finished. Then will come the spiritual things. Spirit, the soul is I, the soul, and Krishna is my property. So this samsar, and what is there in the samsar? Batuar. There is a batuar. Batuar means the dakat. There's so many dakat in this material world, especially the kama, krodho, lobho, moho, mada, matsarja. These are the men, our enemy, dakat. These are the robbers, dakat. They are actually these are our main enemy. Is not the enemy that the outside. Enemy is actually, these are the enemy. Kama, the desire, for enjoying kama. Krodho, the angerness, the angry. Kama, krodho, lobo, the greediness. These are the six enemies, the big enemy. Kama, krodha, lobo, moha, mad, matsya, these are the enemies. So this samsar means mamata, me and mine, and there is enemies are there. So if we compare to this samsar is a jungle, samsar is also called jungle, the forest. So in the forest, if someone is walking in the forest alone, and in that forest there is many trees. So every tree is written me, mine. That's called mamata. ये मेरा है, ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरा है, ये मैं हूँ, मेरा है. And I am walking through that. ये मैं है, ये मेरा है. I am walking through that samsar in this material world. And in that jungle or that forest, there is many dakat. The robbers are there. So they found me alone. And what will happen? They will bind me with the trees, with one of the tree, where the written is mine. The tree is written mine. So the dakat, the robbers will come and they want to take everything from me, and that's why they will bind me with one tree, the samsar tree, that is mine. And that is called desire for enjoyment. Kamo phashi bandi mare. Kamo phashi. This is desire for enjoyment. That kamo phashi. That is called phashi. Like if somebody is hung, George gave the order that he will be hung, and then kamo phashi. His neck is hung by the rope. So that rope is kamo, desire for enjoyment. That is actually the big bondage, main bondage, where big rope, as that is that rope is binding us in this material world, no? With the tree, mamata. Ta means mine, my possession. And what happened? And in this situation, if somebody is going through the jungle and he is found by the robbers, and robbers, the dakat, bound him in the tree, with the tree, and they are taking everything from him, then what should he do? That is Narottam Das Thakur is telling. Samsara vatuare kamo phashi mandivare pukara karo horidas. Then we have to loudly call Fukar. Fukar means loudly call Haridas. Like if you loudly say help, then the police will come. The king's the soldier will come. And when the king's soldiers come, then immediately all the robbers from the jungle, they will run away. They will leave you alone. They will not take your life. So when the calling, you cannot call the king will come to you. King will not come to you. You can loudly call the soldiers of the king. And that is Narottam Das Thakur is telling. That Pukar Karo Haridas. Haridas means the servant of the Lord. Pukar Karo Haridas. And then when the devotee will come, when the Lord's devotee, Krishna's devotee will come, then what will happen? Karo bhakta sango prema katha rasarango tabe hoy vipado vinash. Tabe hoy vipado vinash. Then the vipad means this dakat, kam, krodh, lobh, moho, mad, this dakat will go away. They will leave me alone. And Karo Bhakta Sango Prem Katha Rasarango. Prem Katha. In the association of devotee, what will happen? Prem Katha. Prem Katha means the Katha of Krishna. Prem Katha. And that Prem Katha Rasarango. That's why it is said in the Bhagavatam tat shatam prasangat mama bija samvido bhavanti hritkarna rasayana katha tajjosanat asho apavarga vartmani shraddharatir bhaktir anukromeshati. Shatam prasangat. Prasangat, shatam means the devotees. In the association of devotees, you know, uh, bhakta sangha, in the association of devotees. Mamo bija sangvida. Krishna is saying, Mamo bija sangvida. Sambad and sangvida. Sambad means the one is telecasting the news, and sambvida means discussion. One is telling, another is asking question, and there is a discussion. That is sambvida. And sangvida for sangvida of what? Mama bija, my wonderful activities. My devotees are discussing my wonderful activities, and after that, and what after, in this way, bhavanti hit karna rasayana kata. Bhavanti, mane they are becoming their ear, heart and ear, karna and hita and karna, filled up with the nectar of my katha, my discussion, my glories. And in this way, what happened to the devotees? The Joshanat Asho Apavarga Vartman. This material is all is called Pavarga. Pavarga means at least Pa, Ba, Bha, Mo is there. Means Parishrama. Pa means work hard like anything. For struggling for existence. Prabhupada is saying, struggling for existence. Prabhupada is giving the example that one person from New York to New Jersey is flying. Morning he is flying and coming back in the evening. He is like 1000 kilometer or 500 kilometer flying. Just to earn to breath. Just to earn to breath. Prabhupada is saying, then who is the advancement? If a bird is flying from one tree to another tree, and his life is maintaining this way. He no need to fly 500 kilometers. The bird is more advanced than the man. So Prabhupada is saying, struggling for existence like anything. For parishrama, and then for means phena is like form comes there, like the as carrying the load, and such a load is the nose, mouth. So such a parishrama, everyone is doing in the material world. And what is the result? At the end, bifala, bifala. They cannot enjoy. One is having a lot of money, like after doing a lot of hard work, in the age of like 40 or 50, he now got house, got a lot of money, property, and then his age is 40 or 50, now 60. And that time, doctor told so many disease. These, that disease, this disease, that disease, and he cannot enjoy anything. He work hard to earn the money. It is all fragile in this material world. Fatal. Everything. Mamata means everything is if you any mamata, because this body is temporary and everything is temporary in this material world. So it is all just losing everything. You are going to lose everything. And then what happened? And that bifalo cannot enjoy. The servant of his house, maybe he's eating more than him. Doctor told him to eat only 2 chapati or so many medicine. He cannot eat 5 chapati. His labor, his workers, his servants is enjoying the house. So everything is bifalo. It's waste of time. He cannot enjoy anything. And then after that come papa ba bha. Bha means bhai, always fear. His material is padam jad vipadam na tesham. And that bhai comes because this bhai comes bhayam dityo abhinivesham sad ishad apetasya viparjaya smriti. Viparjaya means this not remembering Krishna, contemplating on the material things, and then bhaya comes. This mamata, because of this mamata, bhaya comes. This me, mine, this possession, then bhaya comes. And then ultimately, mittu. Mittu in this material world, mittu, everything is taken away. Therefore, it is said that whatever we are doing in this material world, like we are going to the office, earning money, we are taking our family, we are eating, we are sleeping, we are doing whatever we are doing actually doing to meet with Mr. Death. Everything we are doing, the ultimate is to meet with Mr. Death. Like we are doing the journey, like plane or train journey, and our destination, such destination A to B, our destination. So whatever we are doing in the train, actually to reach to that destination, whatever we are doing, eating, sleeping, everything, we want to reach to that destination, Mr. Death. So whatever we are doing in this material world, actually ultimately to meet with Mr. Death. No one can avoid that. And Krishna is saying, Mittu sarva haraschaham udbhavam cha. I am a death. I'll come and take everything from you. So this is material world, Pavargo. And the intelligent devotees are intelligent. Jajana Krishna bhaje, she bolo chatur. Jajana Maya bhaje, she hai phatur. Devotees are very intelligent. Devotees, what devotees do? Devotees, they prepare for the death. They sadhan karo, bhajan karo, morte janli hai. Devotees, they prepare for the death. And materialistic people, they are not preparing for the death. They are thinking this life is everything. There is no life after death. So enjoy. Linam kitta, gitam pivet, jabat jivet, shukam jivet. They have no consciousness of the no knowledge about the spirit. The devotees have the knowledge of the spirit and the matter. That's why devotee doing everything in the material or activities, but because they have the knowledge of the spirit, that's why they perform devotional service. They do harikatha, shatam prasangat, mama vijja sanvido, and the process is shraddha, ratir bhakti, anukramishya. One day one cannot give up, like Yudhishthira Maharaj here gave up everything. One day one cannot give up. This proper qualification is needed. So in the association, the first need shraddha. Shraddha, ado shraddha, tato sadhu sangha, tato bhajan kriya, tato anartha nivriti, tato nishtha, tato ruchi, tato man, pranaya, bhava, mahabhava, prema. That is all gradual process. So here the gradual process is given, like atopumbi didashreshta varnashrama vibhagasha not padaratyajim shrama evai kevalam. Also given in the Bhagavatam that this varnashrama, brahmachari, girastha, banprastha, sannyas. It is not that I am now very tired, I cannot maintain my family, it is too much load for me, I cannot earn money, it is too much problem, so now I give up my family life. Prabhupada said it is a mitthacharo. Always thinking of the family, mind is not focused on Krishna, and because he did not follow the gradual process, that cannot help actually in Krishna consciousness. Krishna consciousness is gradual process. Slowly, one can advance in Krishna consciousness. So this mamata, and here we can see the devotee, what they do? They are very much like Krishna is saying, my devotee are very attached to me in this way. And in this way, mai ananya bhavena. Ananya bhavena. Ananya means no anno. Only focused on me. Mai ananya bhavena. Bhaktim kurvanti je drida. Drida bhakti. Drida bhakti means very powerful, strong bhakti. Drida bhakti. Bhaktim kurvanti. Performing the drida bhakti. Mind fixing the mind unto me. Ananya bhavena. Ananya. No onno. Ananya means no onno. Like onno abhilashita shunnam, gyan karma adi anamritam, anukullena krishna anushlanam bhaktiruttama, and sarvopadi vinirmuktam, tatparittana nirmalam, rishikena sevanam bhaktiruttama. This ananya bhavena, na onno. Like in Vrindavan, there is the tanga, horse are carrying the tanga. In the horse eyes, there is two, both sides there is two, a small covering is there. Like the horse cannot see his left side or right side, because there is eyes is covered from the both side. So the horse can see only the front. And the tangewala, the driver, he pulled the rope and horse face stand, and that direction horse run. So this is the ananya bhavena means like focusing on one direction. If horse is focusing many direction, then there will be problem. Like one car is coming this way, another tanga is coming this way, rickshaw is coming this way, then horse will be bewildered and there will be accident. That's why not keeping the leg in too too broad, though our process is Yukta Vairagya. But focusing only to Krishna, only one pointed goal of life, to go back to God. Mayi ananya bhavena bhaktim kurvanti je matkrite tyakta karmanas. And that devotee, by becoming qualified slowly with Diro Bhakti, with the devotees, association of devotees hearing and chanting, and one day they get qualification. Matkrite tyakto karmanas, like Yudhishthira Maharaj. Matkrite, Krishna is saying, for sake of me. Tyakto sajana bandhava. Tyakto means relinquishing everything. Sajana bandhava, dress, everything related to the body. And that is what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving us. That is what Krishna is giving us. Sarva dharmana parityajya, manmana bhava madbhakta, majja jimam namaskaru. So these are the qualifications. Slowly comes one day. And here is another word is saying that qualification nirmama and nirahankara. These two actually, ahankar and mamata, these two are the bondage. Those two are the bondage binding us in this material world. Ahankara means I am something. This false ego, the designation, that I am this, I am that. Ahankar is there. The aham means I, karo means the work, the activities. I have done this, this is I have done this is ahankar. Actually, bhinna prakriti ashtoda, ahankara bimiratta kartam ahamiti mandate. Actually, everything is done by the Krishna's desire or Krishna's will. No, Jiva can only Jiva can desire. Without Lord's sanction, Jiva cannot do anything. But অহংকারে মত্ত হইয়া নিতাইকপদ পাশরিয়া অসত্যরে সত্য করি মানি। The living entity, they consider that this is, I have done this, I have done this, and this false ego, identifying with the body, this false ego comes, ahankara. This is called illusion. Illusion, considering the body is mine and forgetting the spirit, only knowledge of the matter, no knowledge of the spirit, and considering this body is mine. There is also ahankara is there in the spiritual world, and that is that ahankara is pure ahankara, and this is impure ahankara. Pure ahankara means জীব কৃষ্ণ নিত্য দাস, এ বিশ্বাস করলে তো আর দুঃখ নাই। জীব, the living entity, are nitya das, the eternal servant of the Lord. And if this ahankara come, this ahankara, I am the servant of the Lord, then there is a no danger, no বিপদ, তবে হয় বিপদ বিনাশ। করলে তো আর দুঃখ নাই, দুঃখ নাই means no miseries of birth, death, old age and disease. That's why even it is said that Shakridava Prapanna, Lord Ram is saying, if one person, anybody, Shakrideva Prapanna, anyone, Prapanna means surrender unto me, jasto basmiti jasote abhayam sarvada tasmai dadami etat vratam mama. ये मेरा व्रत है, I will give him abhaya, I will protect him, even I will give myself to him. Dadami etat vratam mama. If Shakti Deva Prapanna, anybody come, even the Vibhishan came, just offer one pranam to Lord Rama, and immediately Lord Rama gave him the kingdom of Lanka. Immediately Lord Rama put crown on his head and declared that you are the king of the Lanka. Then Hanuman came, my dear Lord, this Vibhishana offer pranam, one pranam to you, and you gave the Lanka to him, and fighting is going to start with the Ravan. And if any secession come, Ravan also surrender to you, also give pranam to you, then what you will give to Ravana? And then Lord Ram told, I have another kingdom, no, Ajodha. I will give the Ajodha to Ravana. So this is what Lord's nature. If one pranam, by offering 10 head again and again, then Ravana got that Lanka. And that Lanka, just by one pranam, division got. So can you imagine how merciful is the Lord? How merciful is the how merciful nature of the Lord. So this, therefore, this material world, this samsara, this mamata, this ahankara, if we are free from this, then we can enter. We are qualified, internal qualification. We can qualify ourselves to go back to God. Then slowly it comes. Not that on brahmachari, grihastha, vanprastha, sannyas. This is the varnashram dharma, and also that brahmana, kshatriya, vaishya, shudra, all this varna and ashrama, everyone should practice Krishna consciousness. And in this way, one day, slowly, that is given that Pacha Shuddha Vanagaman, 50, after 50, at the age of 50, or half of the years, like 100 years. So half of the years one should give up the relinquish this material activities.
Krishna, Prabhu, we have 4-5 minutes, Prabhuji.
So okay, so I stop here. Any question, any comments, any correction?
Prabhu,
Sorry.
take 2-3 minutes, Prabhu, not immediately. Just you can take 2-3 minutes and wind up, Prabhu. Please continue, Prabhuji.
Okay, I will continue if any question. Any question? Then I can continue for 5-6 minutes, whatever. Or I will tell one story now, a small story. You know, Karma Muran story, the story of the potter. You know, one potter in this material world is very, Prabhupada gave this example. This potter, this planning example. Like the potter is going to market, and he is having so many clay pot on his head, carrying with the basket, and he's planning that I will. No, he is actually sleeping, and all the clay pot in the basket is just near to him, and he's planning by lying down. He's planning, tomorrow I'll go to the market with this basket full of clay pot. I'll sell it, and I'll buy some murgi, hens, and then this hens will give so many egg, and then so many hens will be there. And then after selling the hens, I will buy the goat, and so many goat will be there. And after selling the goat, I will buy the horse, and so many horse will be there. After selling the horse, I will buy elephant, and then I will make a kingdom. Like so many things is planning with the clay pot. And suddenly he's actually dreaming, and suddenly his sleeping is broke down, and he is thinking, and in this way he's thinking, if my wife, when I will be the big personality, if my wife come and if I ask him to bring the tea or water or milk for me, and if she does not follow my instruction, then I will kick her. And she kicked the clay pot basket, and all the clay pot is broken. So these are the material world example Prabhupada is given. This is all fatal in this material world. Everything is losing, everything. It's like material activities. Planning, and on time everything is like power, everything is finished. So the devotees, they are intelligent, they are not after so much advancement, material name, fame, adoration, or material possession, property. Devotees only property is Krishna. And in this way, one can, when actually even 99% of Krishna attached to Krishna, still one cannot go back to body. 99%. In Bhav Bhakti, after the Bhav Bhakti, one is free from this mamata. After reaching the Bhav Bhakti, after reaching the Bhav Bhakti, one can actually get free from this mamata and ahankar. It is very, very difficult. That's why in Bhagavatam it is said that Jasyam Vaishriyamanayo Krishne Param Purushe Bhakti Utpadate Pungsham Shoko Moho Bhayapoha. Shoko Moho Bhayapoha. Shoko means past tense. Shoko. The suffering is already past, the misery is already past, but now presently I am suffering, remembering of the past. suffering. That is called shoko. Like mother is dead, father is dead, I lost this, I lost that. Like that shoko. It's very, very difficult to come out of this shoko in this material world. And this mama, this then shoko moho. Moho means the everything present tense. Whatever I am looking around me is everything created for my enjoyment. I have to get it. I have to get it. That is present tense. Moho. This is illusion, material world. And then bhai. Bhai is future tense. Like I may lose this, I may lose that, I may lose this may happen, like everything in the future tense. Bhai. So these are the three things: past, present, and future tense. Everyone is happening. And Jashyambai Shromanaya, that's why Prabhupada gave us Shromanaya, Krishna Param Purusha. Every day reading, hearing Srimad Bhagavatam. Mama Vidya Sangdida, Krishna's glories, Krishna's wonderful activities. And in this way, if we are attached to Krishna, we develop attachment to Krishna, then Shokmo Bhayapua, this Nirmamattam, Nirahankarattam, this all will come up. Slowly, gradual process. Then one day, we can be Jivan Mukta Shauchate. Jivan Mukta, in the beginning, we can say Jivan Mukta, the first stage of Jivan Mukta is Aparita Papa. Aparita Papa is free from all four, like four Papa. Eating actually all this meat, fish, and drinking alcohol, wine, and gambling. These are the sinful activities. So when one starts devotional service, the first he become Aparita Papa. Then Bijaro, that comes Bijaro. Bijaro means the devotional service. When one focus in Krishna consciousness, then Bijaro. The Bijaro means when he become old, in the old age also, his mind is so much focused on Krishna that he'll forget everything, bodily problem, bodily miseries, bodily suffering, because his consciousness is fixed in Krishna. So bodily suffering will be there, but he will not feel that. Bijaro. Then Bishoko. Shoko means past tense. Bishoko means he is free from the shoko. He will be Udashina Gata Bhata. Anything happiness, anything distress, he will be Bishoko. Then comes 5 stages. 5th stage comes Biji Dhatshu. Biji Dhatshu means he is free from the desire of enjoying anything material. No desire to enjoy. Biji Dhatshu. Then 6th stage comes Apipasha. Pipasha is there. And that pipasha is only to satisfy the Lord, devotees. That is called, that is only pipasha. And what pipasha means? No more pipasha, no more satisfying the desire for satisfying the senses. Or pipasha. Only pipasha is to satisfy the Lord's senses. And then comes Sattva Kama. All his kamana, Sattva Kama means all his desire. Desire is just for Krishna. Only Krishna is my property, and whatever he desire is desired for Krishna. And when one come to the 7th stage, like Sattva Kama, then whatever he desire, it becomes Sattva Sankalpa. Krishna is ready to fulfill, because he is not desiring anything material. He is desiring for Krishna. He has no pipasha. He is apipasha. He is pipasha for Krishna. So that time Krishna, he become like his servant. So this is all the gradual process. So slowly, slowly, nirmama, nirhankara. So I stop here. Hare Krishna.
Prabhu, one question from Balaram Prabhuji.
Okay.
Taking medicine for any illness during sannyasa order is attachment or not?
Pardon, I could not hear properly. Again?
If any sannyasi is in fever and illness, it is recommended to take the medicine. If you take medicine, it is attachment or not?
Taking the medicine is the attachment or not to the body?
Yes.
Right? He said that Devasriti nahijar samsar bandho kahata. When there is no Devasriti, Devasriti in consciousness of the body is not there, the samsar bandho kahata. Sometimes we consider that the pure devotee is also taking medicine. I am also taking medicine. Pure devotee also using mobile. I am using mobile. So what is the difference? Same. And we may think maybe he's suffering a lot. He has pain, hand, leg, body. This pain is there. He's suffering. We can see he's suffering. No, actually, he is not suffering. Because his consciousness, I see his suffering, but he is not suffering. He cannot, he is not feeling his suffering. His mind is fixed on Krishna. Like operation is going on. Somebody's operation is going on the knee. And he can see his knee is being cut, and that hammering is also going on, and he see all this, but he cannot feel pain. How? Because anesthesia is given the upper part of the leg, so he cannot feel any pain, anything, though he can see going on, cutting all this. Similarly, the devotee of pure devotees, they have got on anesthesia, and that is called Krishna conscious anesthesia. Though they are doing all this, going on, but if we consider, though he is like me, then it will be aparad. It will be aparad. So better we should not judge. You know that it is said, the Deber Nahika Shakti. Even the demigod cannot understand the activities of the devotees. Vaishnaver Kriya Mudra Bigge na bujha. The highly intelligent, like Shargo, Jilok, Janalok, Tapolok, Mahatlok, they cannot understand the activities of the devotees. We should not judge the pure devotee in this way. Then it will be aparad. Though he is taking medicine, but his medicine is not, he is in different stage, no? I can tell one nice story, but time is not permitting. So any other question?
Yes, Prabhuji. Time also, I don't have much time because of Kolkata class will start now. So now
Okay.
7:57, Prabhuji. So you can wind up here, Prabhuji, maybe.
Okay. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Okay, Prabhu. Thank you, Prabhuji. Very nice class, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Jai. All glories to all devotees.
Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
All glories to Srila Prabhupada. All glories to Srila Swaksham Guru Maharaj. All glories to Srila Prabhupada Maharaj. All devotees. All glories to all devotees. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.